every interaction is the what? Make a memorable impression, move the needle forward, and then give them a point of contact. This is for the service customers. Somebody bought a car here 3 years ago. They haven't serviced in a year. When I call, I'm going to try to set the appointment. Out of our database, though, I don't go as hard in the paint because we're almost cold calling these people. I do want to make a memorable impression, though. Hey, no problem. You don't want to sell your Expedition right now? I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to sell it either. The reason I called you is because you know how hard it is to find a 2019 Expedition like yours? Let me do this. Let me give you my name. I'm going to text it to you. If ever you're at all curious of what your Expedition's worth, let me have the first opportunity to it. They're going to sell their car eventually, aren't they? And then if I hype them up on how much I want to buy their Expedition, maybe in a month or two, you never know, they're going to sell their car. I was not allowed to get a new car, and I finally got allowed to get a new car. My English is messing up there. So my dog died, a little sad, and we went to the pet cemetery, and we're keeping this car, we're keeping this car, we're keeping this car, we're keeping this car. She wouldn't let me get a new car. I'm like, I'm wanting to get rid of this car forever. And Google Maps messed up, and we were on this country road, and I started driving down this little country road, and there was like rocks, and there was like grass that looked like the thing hasn't been mowed in a long time. I broke the mount thing that connects the wheel to the thing or whatever, put a big old dent on the side, and I was like, can we just get rid of this car right now? And she goes, fine, you can have a new car if you must. So I get to get a new car when I get home, right? Things change all the time. Do you guys agree with that? And if somebody called me up 2 months ago and they were like, I want to buy your car, I need your car, who would I call first? That person. Stick into people's heads. And when you text them, maybe even send a picture of yourself. This is the guy that wants to buy your car as soon as you're ready. If you ever want to sell your car, just let me know. You want to stand out in the person's mind.